Holding costs are all the expenses a company incurs to hold inventory items over a period of time before they are used to fill orders. Inventory carrying or holding costs generally account for 15 to 30% of a business's total inventory value. This makes it all the more important to watch your holding costs. In the next few modules, we'll look at what exactly holding costs are with relation to inventory. Inventory holding costs are directly related to the volume of inventory you hold. There are 3 different elements of inventory holding costs, which are capital costs, storage costs, and risk costs. Let's look at each of these 3 categories a little closer to understand more about holding costs associated with inventory.